What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. We starting 2022 off with a bang, and we're out here in Honduras. So we ended up here just because we got a cheap flight for $59 from Miami. So you know me, see the world, save a dollar. Hopefully we see some beautiful things out here in Honduras, but we only got a certain amount of time. So stay tuned. Don't want to miss this one here, y'all. Right, so we just got the rental car. Now we're about to drive 3 hours to Ceiba to try to get the ferry so we can get to Roatan tomorrow bright and early. So stay tuned, y'all.
Stay tuned.
So this is our Airbnb. We came in here last night. It's a really great host. She lets us park here, but we're upstairs. And we're going to Roatan, and she allowed us just to keep our car here for 2 days, which is great. It's a nice, quick, humble spot. Has a half kitchen, nice little living room space, bedroom space here, 2 beds, and a bathroom. Alright, so we have an amazing Airbnb host who is taking us to the ferry for the love. So just make sure you got good people when you check in. So it's currently 9 a.m. We are here at La Ceiba at the ferry, about to get on the Galaxy Wave ferry. We decided to take the ferry instead of flying because it's a lot cheaper to do it that way. It is a little bit more time, but we got nothing but time. So hopefully it'll be a smooth ride. It's about an hour and a half to Roatan. So. All right, so I'm not gonna lie, this joint is bumpy.
Very bumpy. So bumpy. They gave us these bags for just in case. But you know what?
Oh. Well, if you hear the people in the back, they're screaming. If you are prone to seasickness,
don't do this.
You probably shouldn't do this one. Alright, so we just got the rental car because we wanted to make sure that we could get around the way that we want to, and taxis period are just really expensive on the island. So going around and let's see what we can do. And here we are heading to our room in Las Orquideas. This is cool. Hardwood floors, 2 beds, my space and her space. Cool little bathroom area. Mirror. Open that for me. Everybody has their own patio with a hammock. And a nice little ocean view. It's covered a little bit, but if you peek through, you can see the ocean down there. So beautiful.
Checked into Las Orquideas, and now we're headed to find some food in Roatan. We're gonna try Anthony's chicken, so we'll see how that is.
So right here, we're about to head to Anthony's Chicken and More. Let's get it. Alright, so we just got this jerk chicken for me with the rice and peas. And Liv right there, she got the garlic shrimp with the potato, rice and peas. Great eats thus far. So I'm here in the Garifuna Cultural Center, and it was really cool learning about the Garifuna people. The Garifuna are a fusion of shipwrecked Africans and Amerindians who both resisted slavery and colonization. We learned how this community arrived in Honduras from St. Vincent. Punta Gorda is the oldest Garifuna settlement in Honduras. Today, the Garifuna are regarded as the last remaining descendants of the Caribbean. They are referred to as the Black Caribs, and the only people who reflect the culture of the original Amerindians who inhabited the Caribbean islands.
If it is the Garifuna word, so the translation bitter, so it's a bitter drink. You can get drunk with it because it has alcohol. We pour white rum, but the purpose of give it is for medicine purpose. It helps with your blood pressure, helps with your sugar blood levels. Also, it helps for giving you energy and warm your body, and also with aphrodisiac. Okay. So it's a lot of mixture in it. There you go.
It's good. It's actually good.
It is good. I like it.
It was amazing to learn how there were African explorers and how they resisted colonization for years. Sunday is the best day to go to Punta Gorda, as it is lively even during COVID. There were traditional song and dance, street vendors, and a great vibe from tourists and locals alike. For dinner, we're going to Splash and Dive Resort. Hello. Resort. We got the shrimp pizza, 14-inch pie. Looks good for dinner. Yeah, I told Liv I'm not even hungry. Like, I don't even want to eat. But she said, oh no, I'm working up an appetite. Yo, she had one damn slice of pizza, yo.
It was not just one.
And here we are walking back. It's Sunday night, but it's still lit over here. Good morning, Honduras. So we are here chilling on our balcony, looking at the ocean or whatever you can see from there. But about to get the day started, about to get some breakfast, and hopefully head to French Keys today. So. Alright, so we're gonna get breakfast here. It's included with our hotel. Great views right here. Liv's already chilling. Compliments of our hotel. We get free breakfast. Liv got the pancakes with the caramel and bananas with some eggs. I got the bacon, egg, and cheese with pancakes. But best of all, look at this view outside. Right outside our breakfast place. So, gotta sit back and enjoy.
Now we're headed to Little French Key, which is actually an island that's off of the island of Roatan. So it's south of Roatan. So we'll see what that's all about today.
Stay tuned, y'all.
Yes.
Little French Key is a 3-minute ferry ride off the coast of Roatan. Dreamy blue Caribbean waters sets the scene for all the activities that take place here for the day. You can see our full experience linked in the description and on the screen. We are here in paradise at the Little French Key. Now this is only about a 3-minute boat ride from Roatan, and I would highly recommend it just because, just look at it. They have many rescued animals including jaguars, pigs, monkeys, peacocks, and way more to see. My queen and I even did horseback riding in the Caribbean Sea. And we got to swim with the pigs as well, which is offered here at an incredibly affordable price. They even have sloth tours and scuba diving. We even tried scuba diving, which is a unique experience to say the least. Little French Key offers snorkeling, kayaking, jet ski rentals, massages, manicures, pedicures, and rope swings to jump into the clear blue water. A great mix of adventure and relaxation awaits you here at Little French Key. Alright, so we were walking, actually we were driving, and we ran into this Roatan sign. We just got to the hotel, but now we're heading out for dinner. It's about 7 o'clock. Hopefully we're gonna try some Baleadas, because that is Honduran traditional food. We saw a sign that said that they had the best ones in town. I don't know if that's true, but we'll tell you if they're the best we ever had. Thank you. Okay, so we're at Calalu's, which is traditional Honduran food, and right now we just had these smoothies, and they are fantastic.
So good. Mine is watermelon.
And mine is pineapple. This is the traditional dish of Honduras, the Baleadas. It is a traditional dish with flour tortillas folded in half, usually with beans, cheese, and cream.
Mine actually has lobster in it. I got another one with plantain, and I got another one that's vegetarian. So I got 3.
And I got 2. I think I did get 3. I'm also waiting on a bacon one that's coming as well. So I got a bacon one. I got the host recommended a beef one with avocado, and also I got a chicken one. So we'll try these and see how good they are. Baleadas. These are fantastic, and each one was only $1.50, and they're huge. I mean, hers, she got the lobster one, which was $7, but I still can't believe that this is so inexpensive and so good. Traditional Honduran food, fantastic.
So
A+.
good, so filling.
Liv is so full that she can't even walk. I'm holding her, carrying her back to the hotel because she's so full from the Baleadas.
Baleadas were too real.
It was great though.
All right, good morning, good morning. It is day 3 in Honduras, and right now it's still pretty dark out, but we are heading to the ferry because we're going to be leaving Roatan and heading back to the mainland, and the ferry leaves at 7 a.m. So first we need to drop off our rental car, and then we'll be heading to the ferry back to the mainland. So.
Got here in record-breaking time. About to head on to the ferry. Gracias. So this time was a little different. We're just getting off from the Galaxy Wave ferry, and it was smooth. It was no problems at all. It wasn't bumpy, so just enjoyed it. So we had the best Airbnb host. She just picked us up from Ceiba ferry and showed us a whole tour of Ceiba. She even told us where we should get breakfast to have more Baleadas, because we told her that they were good in Roatan, but she said they're even better in Ceiba. So let's go and try it, Liv.
Let's see.
So we're in the downtown area. She recommended we eat at Cobel, so let's try it. And this is where they recommended breakfast. This is great. Got the fried beans, eggs. I got steak, cheese, plátano. Liv got the same minus the steak.
Okay, getting some rambutan, and here we have it.
Gracias.
Gracias.
Got this whole bag right here just for $1.
$1.
$1, mira. Right, so as y'all can see, it's raining crazy in Honduras. I'm driving 60 kilometers, but it is not letting up anytime soon. So, well, hopefully it is. We'll see. Okay, so now we're at Tela. Here's the beach behind us. Should be some beautiful mountains behind us, but it's a little foggy. But a nice, great little beach day while we have it. Heading in the D&D. Beautiful fire pit area here. Let's go down these stairs. This place is actually a brewery and a restaurant. But I just love this outdoor space that they have here. We got a nice little hammock area over here. So they're taking us to our room at D&D. Gracias. So it is day 5 here in Honduras. We are at D&D. It's cold over here, which I was not expecting in Honduras, but hopefully we have a good day. Tonight we're actually heading out to the airport to our next destination, so stay tuned. Hopefully you have a good day today as well. And for breakfast, we have our typical D&D breakfast, and then we got the French toast with the cantaloupe. Looks pretty good. All right, and we're leaving D&D. Now we're heading to Pulhapanzak Waterfall. Please apologize if I butchered that, but heading to a beautiful waterfall.
Yes.
Yeah, we're really in the trenches right now. I know that my camera has some image stabilization, but it's pothole after pothole and it's dirt road.
So bumpy, so rocky.
What? It's we in the village. Bienvenidos a Cataratas de Pulhapanzak. All right, so we are here in Pulhapanzak.
Yes.
It costs 80 lempiras to get in here, which is less than $4. Most commonly, when people think of Honduras, they visit Roatan and that's it. But in addition to Roatan, Pulhapanzak should be at the top of your list. This is for my adrenaline junkies and sight seekers alike. This was my favorite waterfall experience that I've had in Central America. We got here just after it opened, around 8 o'clock on my birthday, and this is exactly how I wanted to spend my birthday. I decided to zipline. My queen decided not to. This was my first time ziplining, and it was an amazing sight to be over this massive waterfall and see the power from above. I'm scared of heights, but this experience was not scary at all for me. There were 8 total lines that ran across the waterfall. After, we got a private escort to the base of the waterfall. What happened next was magnificent. Be sure to have your water shoes. This area is rocky and slippery. I was so excited that my queen decided to come with me for this. Some areas you need to swim, but they give you life jackets and you're wearing a helmet. I don't think that this would be available or allowed in the United States, but here in Honduras, I'm so happy that this was completely legal and I highly recommend it. At the end of the trip, I asked him, is there a place where I can jump in? And he led me here. The full video is linked in the description, as well as in the top right corner. But if you get to Honduras, you must experience this. Crazy, because where we are, there's so many of these little tuk-tuks, these little rickshaws. But it makes sense. And just like that, we are out Honduras. Oh my gosh, that was amazing. So great. Amazing trip. For everything we did, Roatan, Pulhapanzak, I think I got that right this time. San Pedro, everything was beautiful. And Honduras owes us nothing. I think we might have to come back here, so stay tuned for future destinations, but we're heading out to our next spot. Stay tuned, y'all. Thank you.